Hey, Miss Nosebleed here, your English teacher. What can we learn today?
Hi everybody! Did you know that there are so many irregular verbs in English? To help improve your grammar skills, it's important to familiarize with the common irregular verbs along with their past and past participle forms. Mahirap maging magaling sa grammar if you don't memorize most of these verbs that I'm going to share with you. I'll share with you a list of the common verbs English speakers use every day. Now for each slide you'll see the first column is the infinitive form of the verb. In other words, parang root verb. Okay? The second column is the simple past tense. And then the third column is the past participle, which is combined with has or have to form present perfect tense. Also, the past participle is used with had to form the past perfect tense. Okay? So, are you ready to practice with me? Let's go!
Okay, let's start with number 1, arise. What do you think is the past simple? Yes, arose. And then past participle? Arisen. Very good. Next, number 2, awake. What is the past simple? Yes, awakened or awoke. And the past participle? Right, awakened and awoke as well. Good. Backslide. Backslide. What's the past simple? Yes, backslid. And past participle? Backslidden or backslid. Very good. Number 4. Be, is, are. Very easy. The past simple. That's right. Was or were. And the past participle? Been. Very good. Number 5. Bear. To bear fruit. Yes, bore. And born or born. Very good. Excellent. Let's go to number 6. Beat. Beat. And then beaten or beat again. Okay. All right. Good. Number 7. Become. Became. Become. Excellent. Good. Number 8. Begin. Began. Begun. Right. Number 9. Bend. Bent. And bent again. Very good. Number 10. Bet. Bet. And again, bet. Good. Number 11. Bid. To bid goodbye. Past simple. Bid or bade. And the past participle? Bidden. All right. Good. Number 12. Bid. To bid, like, if you're buying something and you're bidding. Bid again. Bid. Bid, bid, bid. Okay, good. Number 13. Bind. Bound. Bound. Excellent. 14. Bite. Bit. Bitten. All right. Good. 15. Bleed. Bled. And what do you think? Yes, bled. Good. Good job. Number 16. 18. Blow. Blew, and the past participle is blown. Very good. 17. Break. Broke and broken. Good. Good job. 18. Breed. Bread. Bread. Very good. Number 19. Bring. Brought. Brought. Good job. 20. Broadcast. What do you think is the past simple of broadcast? Broadcast or broadcasted. And the same thing in past participle. All right. 21. Build. Built. And built as well. Very good. 22. Burn. What do you think is the past simple of burn? That's right. Burned or burnt. And the past participle? The same. Burned or burnt. Good. 23. Burst. What do you think? Yes, it's all the same. Burst, burst, burst. All right. 24. Bust. What do you think? Can you make a guess? Bust or busted. And the past participle would be the same. Bust and busted. All right. 25. Buy. What do you think? Yes, bought. And bought. Very good. 26. Okay, this is easy. What's the past simple of cast? That's right. All the same. Cast, cast, cast. Let's go to 27. Catch. To catch a ball. What's the past simple? Yes. Caught. And caught. Yes. Good job. 28. Choose. Past simple is chose. What about past participle? Yes. Chosen. All right. 29. Cling. What do you think? Good. Clung and clung. Awesome. Clothed. Clothed or clad. And it's the same thing in past participle. Good. Okay, number 31 is very easy. Come on, let's go. Come. Came. Come. Good. Now let's go to 32. Cost. What's the past simple of cost? That's right. No change. Cost, cost, cost. Okay. Number 33 is creep. Past simple is crept. And the past participle is the same. Crept. Very good. Number 34, cut. Right. Cut. And again, cut. Very good. 35. Daydream. Yes, daydreamed or daydreamt. Daydreamed or daydreamt. Number 36. Deal. Dealt. And dealt. Very good. Number 37. Dig. Dug and Dog. Excellent. Very good. Number 38, dive. Past simple, dived or dove. And past participle, dived or dove as well. Number 39, do. Did. Done. Awesome. Number 40, draw. Drew. Drawn. Excellent. 41, dream. Dreamed or dreamt. Dreamed or dreamt as well. Good. 42, drink. Drank. Drunk. Excellent. 43, drive. Very easy. Drove. Driven. Very good. 44. Number 44, dwell. That's right, dwelled or dwelt, and of course is the same in past participle. Good. 45, infinitive is eat. What's the past? Yes, ate, and very, very easy. Eaten. All right. Number 46, fall. Fell, and then fallen. All right, we're almost there. 47, three more. Feed. Fed. Fed. All right, excellent. 48, feel. Felt. And felt as well. 49, fight. Fought. Fought. Very good. And finally, number 50. Find. Found. Found. Woohoo! You finished it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do it again, but this time a lot faster, okay? And without me prompting. So you're just going to see the same slides, but on a faster speed. And then you can practice by yourself as you watch the video from here, okay? All right, let's go. Congratulations! Very, very good. I'm so proud of you. Okay, as you can see, we have only tackled verbs that begin with A up to letter F. And there's a lot more, as you probably have guessed. So I'm going to post the next one very soon, featuring the next 50 verbs, okay? Stay tuned. Thank you for reviewing the verbs with me.
I hope you learned a lot today. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment. See you next time.
That's it. Short and sweet. You know what to do. Got any questions? I'll see what I can do. See you next time.